Hey, this is Sarah from Warby Parker. We've been getting a ton of questions about how to prevent your glasses from fogging up while wearing a face mask, so I'm here to provide you with some helpful tips. Tip number 1, mold your mask. Medical masks have built-in bendable metal strips that you can mold to the bridge of your nose. If you're using a homemade mask, you can also use foil or pipe cleaners to mold the nose bridge for a more comfortable fit. Tip number 2, tighten your mask. Adjust the ties or crisscross your ear loops to make your mask feel tighter and secure. You can also put a layer of folded tissue in between the bridge of your nose and your mask. This will absorb moisture while keeping your mask snug. Tip number 3, tape your mask. Another option is to use white athletic or medical tape or even an adhesive bandage to seal the top of your mask around the bridge of your nose so that moisture doesn't get behind your lenses. Tip number 4, use soapy water. Wash your lenses with a mild dish soap and water. After shaking off excess water, let them air dry. This creates a thin surfactant layer that helps prevent fogging. Tip number 5, keep your glasses clean. Dirt and smudges can trap moisture. Clean your lenses with the help of our Clean My Lenses kit. Hopefully these tips help. Let us know what methods work best for you in the comments below.